In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate YouTube Shorts with your keyboard on desktop. If you watch Shorts on a computer, there's a simple way to move through videos without constantly reaching for your mouse. All you need are your arrow keys. Once you've opened a short in your desktop browser, make sure the Shorts player is active by clicking anywhere on the video. This tells your browser, "I'm controlling this player," so the keys do what you expect. To go to the next short, press the down arrow key. Each tap moves you forward one video in the Shorts feed. If you want to revisit something you just watched, press the up arrow key to go to the previous short. This is great for rechecking a tip, pausing on a detail, or replaying something you liked. Here's a helpful trick. You can hold the down arrow key to create a pseudo auto-scroll effect. While you're holding it, Shorts will glide through videos quickly, almost like autoplay. Keep in mind, this isn't fully automatic. You're still the one holding the key, so you stay in control. The moment you release the down arrow, it stops on the current short. This is handy when you're browsing for a video that catches your eye and you don't want to tap repeatedly. If the arrow keys don't seem to do anything, check a couple of things. First, make sure your cursor isn't inside a text field, like the search bar or a comment box. If a text field is selected, the arrows will move the cursor instead of navigating Shorts. Click once on the video to refocus it, then try again. Second, confirm that you're actually in the Shorts interface. Shorts typically open in a vertical player, and the URL often includes /shorts/. If you opened a short in a regular video page, arrow keys might behave differently. Switching back to the Shorts view restores the navigation you want. A few practical tips as you use this. Tapping down. Arrow is best for moving one video at a time without skipping past something interesting. Holding the key can move quickly, but it's easy to overshoot. If that happens, simply tap up arrow to backtrack. And if navigation feels unresponsive, a quick click on the video or a page refresh usually fixes it. That's it. Down arrow for the next short, up arrow for the previous one, and hold down arrow for a smooth pseudo auto-scroll. With these keys, you can browse faster, keep your hands on the keyboard, and focus on the content you want to watch.